We currently have two positions that we urgently need hires for here at Ready Roles. All you have to do is go to the link in my bio and then click on a Ready Roles button, and then it will direct you to this page. This page, it says Big League Movers, but this is the mother company of Ready Roll. So all you have to do is just scroll a little bit down until you see the first opening, which is the remote appointment setter. You can also browse other job openings, but this is where we urgently need people to hire. So this is the remote appointment setter. Just click on that and then read the job description carefully. Basically, remote appointment setters, mostly calls. Calls yan, you already have a list of what's this, numbers naman that you are going to call. So, hindi ka naman na mahihirapan pa maghanap ng mga tatawagan mo. But this is mainly calling. So, if may mga background kayo sa call center or sa lead generation or sa calls, then this is a perfect position for you. Let's check na how much. So for this one, this is $5 to $7 per hour. Entry level naman siya. So you can apply just to read on the job description. Make sure that you read it detailed at dapat pasok kayo doon sa job description. If meron mga kulang, de practicein nyo na. Tapos mag-apply na kayo. Just hit the apply for this job and then send your application form. The next job opening is the remote executive assistant. So, lahat ng mga nasa community ko na mga executive assistants, aspiring EVAs, na meron ng previous work experience, you can send your application dito sa remote executive assistant role. We urgently need people for this role. So, read the job description carefully, make sure that you're fit for the role, and then send your application. Details or rate for this role is $5 to $7 per hour also. So please do read the job description carefully. If you're fit for the role, send over your application form. If you want to follow more updates about application in Ready Roles or tips for your application, of course, you can follow me, and you can also follow Join Ready Roles Instagram page. I'm going to tag them in the description down below. If you are looking at this on Facebook, you can search Join Ready Roles on Facebook, I believe. And then please do follow them. If you are also checking this out on LinkedIn, check out Join Ready Roles also at LinkedIn and follow us. Good luck on your application.